You searched how to buy shares of Solaris Resources Inc. In this short guide, I will show the basic steps. Solaris Resources Inc. is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SLSR, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy SLSR, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SLSR to find Solaris Resources Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have located the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart for SLSR. Review the description and market to confirm this is the right asset. Checking the chart and market information helps verify you selected Solaris Resources Inc. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when markets reopen, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once completed, your SLSR position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For a direct link to eToro and more information, see the description below.